Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amir. Today in this video we are discuss about the how to make money online or how to make money online at a home. So in this video we are discuss about the different ways to make online money at a home. So let's we start our video. The sting of inflation, you have pondering how to make some extra income. If you have the time and energy, you can put your skills and passions to work with a side hustle. And making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, you will found some viable option. Pick up freelancer work online. Make online money through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Test websites and apps. Another ways to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps work. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies offer outsources those jobs to a crowdsourcing marketplace like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the task you will be assigned to be a tedious tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Take surveys from money. You can make money from home by taking online survey, but don't expect to earn a lot. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you are a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate networks. Affiliate stats, you get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something theirs. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a passion from woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery. Sell your crafts on Etsy. The go to the site for artisans selling home goods, arts, and knickknacks. According to the Etsy, the company has 95 million active buyers and grossed over $13 billion in merchandise sales in 2022. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to the market. If you are a writer, you can churn out pages. You can use Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If you YouTube videos or blog posts draws a big audience, you may be able to money from advertising. Become an Instagram influence. Companies are using Instagram influence people with large dedicating following on the platform to repair their product. You can get it on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform. So guys, these are the best platforms to make money online at a home. So hope so you can like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share the channel. Thank you.